Okay, today we're going to start off with backyard grilling some bone-in chicken thighs. We're going to do this barbecue style. Be a little bit different. We use the rib rack barbecue rub, lemon pepper from McCormick, and another McCormick applewood smoke rub, and of course buttermilk. The reason why we're using the buttermilk is because it makes any of your meats or anything like that a little bit more tender. I don't measure it out, I just dump it in a bowl. Make sure you open all your things so you're not cross-contaminating all your chicken. Okay, and I always try to trim the chicken a little bit because you don't want all that fat. And the only reason that you really leave the fat on it is because as you cook it, it'll get real dry and then it'll stick to the bottom of your tin foil. All you really need is just a little chunk of fat on the back to make it so it doesn't stick or anything like that. And then I just take it and dip it in, roll it around, and then bring it out. I usually try to feel for the biggest piece of fat so that I can take that off with the skin. And then when I'm cooking, I always like to put the chicken upwards so then when I put the spices on it, and I can roll it back over, put the spices on the back, and then that leaves that skin to be on the bottom of the grill. And then that'll be the last thing. When you flip it, the skin will come right off and you won't have it on the chicken anymore. And again, it's all to your liking of what you like to taste and enjoy. I usually try to put even amounts on. And I roll it over. And then I always make sure to put a little extra buttermilk on top because that'll render down. And you'll see halfway through the process cooking, when I flip it, everything will be there, and then I'll put the barbecue sauce on as well. So now after we've wrapped everything, I wrapped an extra one. What you want to do you want to turn the grill on. I don't preheat these, so and then what I do is I come out usually about 3/4 of the way. That'll get you at about 400 to 450 degrees. That's usually what I keep it on for about half an hour, and then I come out, check it, unwrap it, and then I'll put some garlic on top of it, some more barbecue sauce, flip them, and then it'll be ready for the last half hour to cook, and then we will eat. Alright, now it's time to take it out and do a flip on it. I put a napkin down because sometimes it gets a little bit sloppy. And now it's time to add some open pit. I use hickory flavor, and of course can't grill anything without garlic. I usually get this minced up stuff that's already pre-done, so just squeeze it and go. And first thing you want to know is this is going to be very hot because you wrap it up. So you want to unwrap it carefully so that you don't get burnt. See all the juice that's inside there that the buttermilk made. And you just want to flip it. I usually rip the skin off, get rid of it. You could leave it on, it doesn't really matter. Whatever you choose to taste, how you want it, but I take it off and just set it on the side over there. Then I take it, I put, and I don't spare any garlic. Garlic's good for you. Lots of it on there. Take your barbecue sauce. Put it on there. And then what'll happen as it cooks, it'll all go down as well. Everything will mix together with the sauce, and it'll make a thickened sauce for you after you're done. I'm going to do the same thing for the other package. I'm going to pop this back on the grill so it can get going. And again, probably about another half an hour to maybe 45 minutes, something like that. Alright, we're getting ready to take the chicken off the grill, and everything just smells great. All you can smell is all the garlic and everything coming through from the grill. But I did want to take a second to introduce this Kaizen thermometer. As soon as you open it up, it starts taking the temperature. It has all kinds of lighting and everything on it. You can change it to Celsius. It has all your temperatures there. I mean, it's like instant. The second you put it in there, you read the temperature. So we'll get a quick check, make sure everything's good. $213, I think that's really good for your chicken. And then you can just fold it up just like a little penknife. It has magnet on it, and you can just stick it right back to your grill. And we got the first one. off the grill. As you can see, everything cooked up really nice, and it'll be falling off the bone. And then what I do is all that garlic and everything that's on here, I make sure that I put it all right back on my plate. And then I figure I'll take a quick taste, but as you can see, no knife, no nothing, just pulls right apart. Juicy. That's why I let it cook for approximately half an hour to 45 minutes the first time. Then you put all the stuff on it, then another half hour, 45 minutes. Take it off, check it, and it'll all be temped. Let me take a bite and see what we think. Oh, that's perfect. Okay, make sure that you like and subscribe. If you've tried it, leave a comment below and let us know how it turned out for you. Thanks for watching Barry's Backyard BBQ.